Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add new colors to Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to add new color, you can add a color to text, shapes, paths, etc. You can add anything. Now I am create a shape, click right button on the shape, then select the polygon tool. Then draw a polygon, then select the move tool, then go to the window menu and select the color option and go to the swatch option. Now you can see there are many colors. Now I am change the new color. You can add another color, select this, double click on this fill color option and you can add it any color. Here the color option, you can change the color, then click OK. Now we can see we add new color to InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.